Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
GitHub Achievements unlock when you perform specific actions on the platform. These actions include contributions, pull requests, issues, stars, and repository creation. You must perform one unique event per achievement to trigger a badge. Automation, scripts, or external services cannot legitimately unlock achievements for you. Only genuine activity recorded by GitHub counts toward progress. Double-check your account visibility and repository privacy settings before create a repository and push commits to record contribution activity in your graph. Open a pull request from a fork or from the same repository branch to earn PR-related badges. Merge at least one pull request into a non-fork repository to capture merge achievements. Open and close at least one issue and add constructive comments to show engagement. Star a repository and follow users as optional social signals, but badges depend on recorded contribution events. Start with one public repository and push at least one commit to it. Fork a repository or use your own to open a pull request and then merge that PR. Open an issue, add comments, and resolve it to register interpersonal contribution activity. Perform actions using your primary GitHub account. Ensure email and profile are verified for proper attribution. Review your contribution graph and achievement page to confirm badges appear after actions process.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.